Placing your home on the market is scary enough. That being said, if you are running into almost having an expired listing, meaning that you've been on the market, you've had your home on the market for X amount of time, and the listing that you have with the realtor is about to expire, then here are a few different things that you can do once it doesn't expire. Before we get into that though, make sure you like, you subscribe, and you share to anybody that's going through this. The first thing you can do is relist. I know a lot of times when people are looking to list their homes with a realtor, they list it with maybe a family member or somebody that they know that really doesn't have much experience, and they're just doing it just because they know that person. But the best thing you can do is list with somebody that is experienced, professional, and they know about marketing, and they also have a great community of other realtors that they can basically market this to. The next thing you can do is, if you're tired of working with realtors, is you can list it yourself. You can put it on Zillow, Redfin, Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace. You can do it for sell by owner and see if you can get anybody looking to actually purchase this house that way. And lastly, I know going through the whole listing process can be very tiresome, and if you go on and your house has become an expired listing, you might not want to list it with the realtor again, and you might not want to even do the work to sell it by yourself. So if you want to get it sold and you know that you want to work with a direct home buyer, you can sell it to us at Now Property Investments. We do buy homes as is, no repairs needed. Go to our website, www.nowpropertyinvest.com.